Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the dirt bike cheat code for GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. In GTA 5, you can instantly spawn a dirt bike, also known as the Sanchez, by using cheat codes. If you are playing on PC, start by opening the cheat console. Press the tilde or command console key on your keyboard to bring it up. Once the console is open, type the cheat code off-road and press enter. The dirt bike will immediately spawn near your character. You can also spawn the dirt bike using your in-game phone. Open your phone, go to Contacts, and select the dial pad. Enter the cheat number 19996337623 and press call. As soon as the call connects, the Sanchez will appear right in front of you. Keep in mind that using cheat codes disables achievements and trophies for that session. If you want to continue earning progress, restart the game after using cheats. So that's basically how you can use the dirt bike cheat code for GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks.